Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, Friday the 24th, January 24th, 2025. I'm Gio Benacourt. This is a recording done by Vantage Markets. We are about 2 hours prior to the open of the U.S. trading session. All right, so we see how the markets are just in cautious mode, really. We do obviously are going to be having a more reporting on profit earnings next week. There's not much of a slate on deck today, but we are in an uptrend across the board on the indices reality. So let's see if today we finally revisit that high done on Wednesday. Okay, so I'm just gonna type my second level of resistance right to this level of 22,200 ish. Okay, and the support yesterday is low, and then this level right here, very tight range for today. I agree, but it all looks that we might be looking to close the week, receive Mr. Donald Trump's presidency in a good sense. So we are trading right around all-time highs for the S&P. 6,200 is not going to be met today, but let's just place it there. Upper bound of your band as a probable level of resistance. Okay, so well, we've done it at least for the S&P. We trading higher, so let's just use 6,100 as a probable level of support, and then just this swing high here as our second one. So let's see, RSI is looking good, so we can still have another stretch, another leg up. That's what I'm shooting for, buying all across the board. Dow close above our resistance and now support, but we are trading below that. So that could be just a little bit profit taken. Look, 4,500 is most likely won't be met today, but I'm just gonna put it out there. 44,250-ish support, and 44,000 round number, psychological round number for the Dow. But again, I just think this is profit taking, and then we just gonna reverse that and continue moving, closing higher. And the Russell as well, looking just mighty ready for a breakout. So let's see if that will happen. Crude oil, yesterday it was a very volatile day for crude oil. At the beginning, it did swing high, hitting that 76, but it quickly retraced and closed back below our levels of resistance. Today, we're rebounding off that $74. So that could be a good place for us to place our nearby support. Now, resistance is going to be yesterday's open and yesterday's swing high. I'm going to leave. No, that's just way too low. Just $73. Chat, I think it could be one of those days for today for profit taking for all those who went short. So let's see what will happen today in crude oil land. Yesterday, because obviously Donald Trump came out talking about wanting crude oil to be lower. So Nat Gas also is trending lower today after having a nice move to the upside. Yesterday, it opened with a gap down. Small one, but it's there. So $4 round number, and just that swing high from yesterday. Our second level of resistance, support, swing low the previous day, and 370. So far, looking to short the market. Gold is on a rampage, moving higher, 2,800, baby. That should be done somewhere around there. Let's see, 28.20 just because, 27.40 support, and then this that was right here. So that's Where we're looking at gold and talk about gold going long, staying long in gold 3,000 by the end of March. Then we have silver also just looking to fluctuate to the upside. Let's just do some levels. Actually upper Bollinger Band, and that second level of support is over here. That double bottom is going to stay the same. So moving higher as we speed. Let's see copper looking to recuperate itself also as well. So let's just keep that in mind. Let's just keep going with the momentum on our side. So 440 and the open Bollinger Band is resistance. Support, let's just tighten it up with a 50-day moving average and just leave the second one as it is. Let's see if you continue to move higher. Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is looking to just stay within range and right above 100,000. So it's steadily sustaining 100,000 for the entire, almost 2 weeks. So that's good news. That's a good solid support. Then the euro finally busted up above 105. It quickly retraced. So let's just use the 50-day moving average as our level of resistance and 105.5. Let's just leave the same levels of support and see how much stronger will rebound today. Then we have a pound also looking to close above 124 for the week. Let's just use this bottom here as a nice level of support, and 122 as a psychological second level of support. And things will move higher for the currencies as we see that the dollar index continue to decline. Not much of a decline today, I don't assume. Let's see 107, and let's just use this level right here, this swing high from yesterday. Well, that's it for today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you Monday.